In this video, you will discover the 15 highest paying independent freelance jobs according to a report recently released by Upwork. Now, freelancing is a great option if you're looking to set your own hours, work from anywhere you want to, or pick up projects that interest you the most. That's why it's no surprise then that countless professionals are switching to freelancing as more companies recognize all of the benefits that are there as you engage independent professionals through freelance platforms such as Upwork. Now, the good thing is that the market pay rates differ, making it easy to find better paying freelance jobs to match your specific experience level. By venturing into the world of freelancing, you can enjoy a lot of different benefits, and these include the ability to have flexible hours. So if you're not a morning person, you can take advantage of the flexibility that comes with controlling your work hours. As a freelancer, you get to juggle your personal and your work tasks much more conveniently. You also get location flexibility. The laptop lifestyle makes it easy for you to pick up your laptop and to work from different locations without undermining your ability to get the job done correctly and on time. And lastly, freelancing gives you the ability to select the clients and the jobs that you want to work on. So being able to pick the projects that match your skill set and your interest the best will put you in the best position to succeed. Now, here's a quick note that the market rate data shared in this video is reflective of the time of filming, and of course it may vary from one project or freelancing platform to another, but this information acts as a general guide on what you can expect from the market. These rates are based on real statistics from the Bureau of Labor Statistics and average rates earned on Upwork. Now, with that out of the way, let's jump right into the 15 highest paying freelance jobs. Whether you're a tech expert, designer, writer, there's countless projects for freelancing professionals. And with so many categories of jobs to choose from, there's no reason you won't be able to find something that matches your specific skill set and personality type the best. Some of the best paying freelance jobs include, number 1, being a copywriter. The copywriting field is one of the most viable options for freelancers. As a freelance copywriter, you may compose email newsletters, advertising copy, emails, ebooks, articles, blogs, and other types of polished content that grabs readers' attention and helps drive traffic and sales. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the copywriting field is likely to grow 9% between 2020 and 2030, and although the statistics show that roughly 15,400 job openings become available to writers in the United States each year, this figure is undoubtedly much higher for freelancers, considering that you can work with clients from various parts of the world. On average, copywriters working on freelance writing jobs via Upwork earn between $19 and $45 per hour. Now let's get on to number 2, which is being a web designer. Web designers help clients create websites that suit their specific requirements. The role of a web designer might also encompass updating companies' existing websites and keeping them maintained. This industry is ideal for anyone with creative and technical know-how who can create high-quality web pages and other website features. And another good thing about this is that there are tons of drag and drop online website builders which can help you get started as a web designer. This will also help you handle more advanced projects because you may need to start to develop some skills such as specific programming languages such as JavaScript, Python, or SQL, and proficiency in relevant software programs. But not every project starts as an advanced one, and even those drag and drop website builders are a great start. Now, depending on your experience level, it's possible to earn between $15 and $30 per hour or more on platforms like Upwork. And with job opportunities in this field likely to grow 13% by 2030, you'll be in high demand as a web designer. Now onto the third highest paying freelance job, which is being a digital marketing consultant. As a freelance digital marketing consultant, you'll help businesses improve their online visibility and lead generation to overall increase their sales. You can achieve those objectives through a lot of different activities, such as search engine optimization, email marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, and online advertisements. In addition, clients can tap into your specific expertise to solve specific digital marketing problems and challenges that they are facing. In return, you can expect excellent pay rates. In fact, hourly rates for digital marketers on Upwork range between $15 and $45 per hour, depending on various factors. Now onto the fourth highest paying freelance job, which is social media management. Social media is a lucrative way for businesses to promote products and services directly to their target audience. Social media managers helps brands formulate and implement marketing strategies to enhance lead generation and brand awareness. As a freelancer, you can work with several brands at any given time, helping to improve communication techniques on various social media platforms. In most cases, clients will expect you to provide expert advice about content generation and targeting, so you'll need to demonstrate a savviness with different social media channels. On average, you can expect to command a pay rate of $14 to $35 an hour via freelance platforms as a social media manager. Now on to number 5, which is being a copy editor. Editors play a very important role in the editorial process by reviewing and revising written text to ensure that they meet the specific guidelines of the client. So they check for various aspects such as syntax, punctuation, flow, style, and they also verify facts. The editorial process is vital to producing high quality content. So if you've got a knack for identifying grammar or other issues, you can explore opportunities in this field as a freelancer. Average pay rates for copywriting editors range between $20 and $40 an hour, depending on your experience and other factors. Now for number 6, web developer. Web developers use their advanced programming skills to develop the code that determines how websites function. This is a very lucrative freelance job, but it does require professionals with experience in either front-end or back-end web development, or both, which is known as full-stack development. Front-end web developers concentrate on the design and visual aspects of a website, while back-end specialists focus on the behind-the-scenes components or administrative areas of a website that aren't necessarily visible to the front-end users. Now, the best part about working as a self-employed web developer is that you can earn between $15 and $30 per hour or more, according to average rates earned on Upwork. In addition, job opportunities in the web development field are likely to grow 13% by 2030. Now on to number 7, being a media buyer. Media buyers help businesses determine the ideal ad placement to suit their specific budget and their targeting needs. Placement options might include physical, print, digital, and broadcast advertisements. Now, depending on the client's requirements, a media buyer's role and responsibilities may also include managing social media ad campaigns, as well as handling large, mid-size, and small-size companies' rates that they are getting based on where they are advertising. Media buying professionals typically charge between $50 and $200 per hour, which is a massive amount, but that's because of all those connections that they've built so they can get better rates. Now, according to the BLS, job opportunities for advertisement agents are expected to grow 3% by 2030. This trend represents opportunities to venture into this field as a freelancer because it's such a high-paying job. Now on to number 8, which is being a photographer. Photography is a popular field that requires high levels of creativity and technical expertise to produce high-quality images for companies and individuals alike. As a freelance photographer, you can earn a living by capturing images of events, physical products, places, and people. Clients are willing to pay if you can capture images that tell a captivating story. Whether you're interested in working as a photographer as a full-time thing or as a side hustle, you can find high-paying photography jobs on Upwork. Now, the job outlook data, which was published by the BLS, shows that the photography job opportunities will likely continue to increase by 17% by 2030. When it comes to average hourly rates for photography projects, you can expect between $40 and $100 per hour. Now, on to number 9, data analyst. As a freelance data analyst, you can help clients analyze specific pieces of data involving historical transactions or events. So you will play a critical role in uncovering the key trends and customer behavior patterns based on all of the data that they provide. Now, businesses of varying sizes count on data analysts to predict future trends more accurately. Your role is to tap into big data collected from various operational sources and then analyze it. Now, the average hourly rate for data analysts via Upwork hovers between $20 and $50 per hour. Now, although many data analysts do work full-time in companies of varying sizes, you can actually earn a very steady supply of well-paid projects using freelance platforms. Now on to number 10, being a business consultant. A business consultant helps clients gain an in-depth understanding of specific operational matters. Now, in many cases, the professional plays an active role in solving complex business challenges. Companies hire consultants to seek advice on practical ways that they can improve their day-to-day operations or their profitability. Now, the consultant that a business hires is one that usually specializes in one or more of the following areas, including marketing, finance, or human resources. As a freelance consultant, you can work with multiple entrepreneurs at any given time, allowing you to truly maximize your income. In fact, the average hourly rate for business consultants ranges between $28 an hour all the way up to $98 an hour, depending, of course, on your skill level and the scope of the project. Now on to number 11, that's being a programmer. Programmers play an important role in today's digital world by writing code that controls the features and functions of computer and mobile applications. In addition, they keep the systems running smoothly in the background by handling the maintenance, routines, and the troubleshooting and technical issues that arise. Tech professionals with advanced programming skills typically help businesses handle software and web development. In addition, they keep systems running smoothly by handling maintenance routines and troubleshooting technical issues that arise. Tech professionals with advanced programming skills typically help businesses handle software and web development. Now, on average, programming jobs pay between $15 and $30 per hour. Now, on to number 12, being a videographer. Videography is similar to photography, but this involves capturing events and editing the videos to ensure a quality presentation. A combination of filming and video editing skills is vital to succeed in this field, but you can operate as a solo freelancer or you can collaborate with other professionals to get the job done efficiently and correctly. Some examples of event editing that requires professional videography include services such as weddings, corporate seminars, and parties. And there is also a rising demand for videographers to help produce content just like this, YouTube and online advertisement content. Now, you can market your videographer skills on Upwork to keep a steady stream of high-paying videography projects. The average salary for videographers on Upwork actually hovers between $15 and $30 per hour, with, of course, the top earners earning much more than that. And now on to number 13, accounting. An accounting professional performs record keeping of a business's finances and may help interpret the records. Accountants play an integral role in ensuring the accuracy of all financial records for reporting and tax purposes. Companies rely on accountants to provide accurate and well-presented financial information to help them make informed decisions about their business operations. So that's why proper record-keeping processes make it easier to analyze profits and losses more effectively. Additional duties may include preparing invoices, determining payroll requirements, collaborating with auditors, if that is something that happens, and analyzing operating budgets. If you're ready to kickstart your freelance career as an accountant, you can find an extensive list of high-paying accountant projects on Upwork. On average, these projects pay hourly between $12 and $32 an hour, depending on your skill set and other factors, and I see a lot of accounting jobs on Upwork every single day. Now on to number 14, virtual assistant. Clients hire virtual assistants to perform various administrative tasks such as data entry, calendar organization, and managing email communications of their clients. Now, these types of professionals may also run errands or do certain tasks online, such as making restaurant reservations, scheduling medical appointments, and making purchases for the company that they're working for. Now, these services enable the busy clients to particularly focus on what they do best, which is their day-to-day operations. Most virtual assistants handle tasks directly with the client and on freelancing platforms. As a virtual assistant, you can earn between $12 and $20 per hour performing a wide range of administrative tasks and different duties to clients on Upwork. Typically, your experience will determine the type of projects available to you, but that is going to be something that a lot of people can do because being a virtual assistant is something you can start out with no experience at all. And last but not least, number 15, public relations manager. Public relations, also known as PR managers, help companies develop effective PR strategies that promote a positive image of an organization. So regular duties might include crafting well-polished press releases and building relationships with key media contacts. and managing any crises or controversies that arise. Companies in various sectors require the services of an experienced PR professional to improve their overall public communications via several channels, including the social media aspect of it, as well as all of the other digital and print channels. Experience and qualifications in media and online marketing and other related fields are critical to success here, but you can qualify for the highest paying freelancing projects once you've started to gain a considerable amount of experience handling challenging PR campaigns in the past. Public relations consultancy work pays anywhere between $50 and $100 per hour, and analysts predict that this job opportunity for public relation managers will grow 13% by 2030. So you may be asking yourself, what is the best freelance job for beginners? Well, in my opinion, an in-depth knowledge of anything related to digital marketing, SEO, and copywriting can prove beneficial for beginners involved in several fields, such as the public relations, which we just went over, editing, web design, and social media management. These skills can help make a positive impression on potential clients. Some benefits of familiarizing yourself with these topics will help you grow your career faster and give you the ability to cross-leverage digital marketing media channels. In turn, you can offer more comprehensive services to your clients, and that can help you start to stack all of the value that you're offering. SEO boosts content visibility across the internet. So when it comes to web design, it's critical to integrate SEO elements that allow search engines to crawl and index websites more efficiently. By doing so, you provide a high quality service to clients looking to maximize the visibility of all of their content. Bottom line is, whether you're just starting out as an independent professional or you're already a seasoned freelancer, you can access higher paying jobs by choosing the right freelancing job along with the best freelancing platform. Now, Upwork provides access to a wide range of jobs for independent professionals posted by clients from all around the world. There are projects for graphic designers, software development specialists, freelance writers, online marketing experts, and much more. If you are ready to grow your freelancing career and take the next step, start by browsing job listings on Upwork. You can also watch my other videos on my channel. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more, and you can also check out my affordable online course, which teaches you how to build a profitable business from the ground up. Thanks for watching. Do you want to be free? Do you want to have the freedom to be able to work when you want, where you want, and have the freedom to be your own boss and to make money for yourself? Welcome to the Complete Guide to Freelancing Zero to Mastery. In this course, I will show you that freelancing is your ticket to this life, and I'm so excited to show you step by step how to become a successful and profitable freelancer. Studies show that freelancing is already one of the largest sectors of the economy and is continuing to see huge growth year over year. Whether you want to become a full-time freelancer or simply freelance as a side hustle to start, I'll show you that freelancing is an extremely sustainable and lucrative business. My name is Paul Mendez, and 5 years ago, I decided that I had enough of the 9-to-5 corporate grind and I wanted to live my life to the fullest on my own terms. I'm now one of the top-rated freelancers on Upwork, and I coach individuals on growing their own freelancing careers. I'm going to walk you through every step needed for you to become a profitable freelancer with explosive growth by showing you the tricks of the trade to beat out the competition and ensure you land the most exciting and highest paying freelancing jobs, all starting with setting you up and optimizing your profile on the world's largest online freelancing marketplace. And if you think you don't have the skills that companies would pay you for, I promise you, you are wrong. In this course, I'm even going to teach you how to quickly master the fastest growing skills that companies hire freelancers for all the time. This way, you can go from zero to mastery in freelancing and find your freedom. Welcome to the Complete Guide to Freelancing Zero to Mastery, and I look forward to seeing you inside.